We're gonna try a Hawaiian pizza here. Hi, this is Ryan at One Fat Frog, and today we are out in the field trying out some of our food truck cuisine. So this is El Rapido. This is Pizza Cubana. They specialize in pizza, they do empanadas, they do pastas. This is in South Orlando, South Orange Blossom Trail. We're gonna try some of this pizza. So I ordered a Hawaiian pizza, whereas the Hawaiians just call it pizza. Here we go, right out of the oven. It's beautiful, look at that. Oh, that's so good. So they've been open about 4 months. They're very happy with the trailer. It's been running really good. I'm gonna give that just a second before I burn my entire mouth. Look at that. Clearly, I'm a professional in this. Look at this. So we had to come in the car because the AC, and just had to let this cool down a second. But, oh man, this is a perfect pizza. The dough is perfect. It's nice and crispy on the bottom, nice and soft on the inside. Look at this cheese melt. Like, this is pizza heaven. Yeah. Trust me, I've worked on pizza food trucks. This is baked in a pan. This isn't done in an actual pizza oven. This is done in a nice convection oven in the pan, which helps you get this crisp. Look at these edges, burnt cheese edges. Just a beautiful, perfect pizza. We seriously haven't moved. And ask Roger, I did not share this with him. I just devoured this entire pizza in less than 5 minutes. I'm not proud of myself, but I don't regret it. So good.
Totally okay with you not sharing. It's great.
Sorry, Roger.